Hello guys. TikTok Shop is booming as a social commerce platform, but managing orders can get tricky when you're dropshipping. Zendrop simplifies fulfillment, letting you focus on creating viral content while it handles shipping. And here's how to connect the dots smoothly. So, the first step is creating your TikTok Shop account and complete all verification steps. Make sure that your product's listing comply with TikTok's policies. Zendrop doesn't directly integrate with TikTok Shop yet, so connect Zendrop to your Shopify or WooCommerce store when you sync your TikTok Shop products. This acts as the bridge for orders. Now, you can use TikTok's Commerce Manager tools or supported plugins to sync your TikTok Shop catalog with Shopify or WooCommerce. This ensures order flow into Zendrop automatically. In Zendrop's dashboard, you can activate the auto fulfill orders, so incoming TikTok Shop orders processed via your store are automatically sent to suppliers. You can search for how to turn on autofulfill orders on our channel and you will instantly get the video. You can watch that and learn it just right here. This speeds up shipping and reduces manual work. Now step 5 is choosing fast shipping options and applying custom branding if available to enhance customer experience. Zendrop's US warehouses can help reduce delivery times. Also, you need to keep an eye on your Zendrop dashboard to track order status. Quickly address any fulfillment issues and maintain great communication with your TikTok customers. So while Zendrop doesn't connect directly to TikTok Shop yet, using Shopify or WooCommerce as an order bridge makes dropshipping on TikTok seamless. This setup lets you capitalize on TikTok's massive audience without fulfillment headaches. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.